Just left Ron's house and heading back to Hué, which is about 6 kilometers that way. And not too many plans today because it's already almost 10 o'clock. I had a pretty good time there in the morning, sat down, talked, had some breakfast, and I'll check out a little bit of the old palace from the outside. I don't intend to go in, I've been there before. Go around Hué and head off to Danang city, but this time I will do not from the coast side but from the mountain side around. It will probably take me at least 2 days to get to Danang. And as you probably noticed, I'm wearing short sleeves plus the hand covers, sleeves to protect from the sun, but I don't need a coat anymore. Yeah, it's getting warmer. The farther south I go, it's getting warmer and warmer. And let's hope it doesn't rain. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's get bundling for the road. Get something here. I'm on the other side of the river. The palace is just over there on the other side. I will try to lift the drone up and get a view of the palace there and continue on. The location was a bit too far. I mean, I could see something, but I was not in the center, and I couldn't fly the drone pretty far anywhere. So I got closer. Here, the drone, and this is exactly the center of the citadel. Let's try and lift it up here. Doesn't work out trying to fly it, and I get disconnected after 50 meters, and it's impossible to fly it like this. I get really lousy footage. I mean, I get something, but it's like flying a $50 drone, not a $1,500 drone. And I made all this weight here, and just can't fly the way I want to. I think it's quite a shame, actually. I'm pretty sorry for that. So I visited Hué 4.5 years ago in September of 2017. So I did everything, spent here for like 3-4 days, I don't remember exactly. So no point of staying here more. even though it's very nice inside. And I'll just take a few more photos and I'll go explore other stuff. This is Tien Mu. I've been here before, I remember it. I just wanted to take a drone shot of it from the river up to there. That's a pretty nice, interesting pagoda, but nothing too amazing. There's so many of those in Vietnam. First of all, yeah, it's time to get the hat out. The sun is out, you can actually see blue skies and it's getting hot. So, now I'm on my way to a deserted water park in a little bit outside of Hue, just about 10 kilometers southwest. And I stumbled upon this place, which has a lot of old American equipment, US Air Force, tanks, airplanes, and I have no idea what this is. Now the map says Mobile Training University of Hue, so I have no idea what it is, but they have a pretty interesting display here. And well, I can only mention that in 1968 there was a big offensive, a Tet offensive of Hue. And a lot of people died, of course, from both sides. Very fierce fighting. And I don't know what this is. Maybe this is some of the remains from that fight. Yep. Okay. Off to the deserted water park. They closed the entrance. According to the map, maybe you can go around, but I think there was a guard here that kicked everybody out, so because there is a way to go from there, but somebody was there inside, maybe a guard that kicked everybody out, so let's try to go from around. I guess he doesn't want to speak. Maybe let me turn off the camera. Maybe he's afraid of that. I offered him 100,000 and he's allowing me to enter. Well, for obvious reasons, the guard here didn't want me to film him getting the money. But I gave him 100,000 and heading into the park. A water park, now it's a deserted water park. And what do you know, look at this dragon. So this is the water park. Let's see what it's got to offer. It's pretty nice. Could I? Okay. To the top of the dragon's head. Okay. Ok, ok, ok.
Không sao chứ?
Tôi Tien hàng ngày. Không có vấn đề với hàng ngày. Yep, that seems to be the head of the dragon. Thuy Tien Water Park was opened in 2004 by an official Huế tourism company for about $3 million, despite being incomplete. The area was opened and operating for about 2 years before closing down due to inefficiency and a consistent slump in visitors. Huế tourism company sold the property to a different company that promised publicly in 2012 to put another $1.2 million into the project. Unfortunately, nothing ever came to fruition and the park remained deserted ever since. Ok. Cum dai cea Tien ce vào trong ở đây?
Đâu đâu.
Ci vào trong voi xe máy và
Đi bộ.
đi bộ và không cea Tien. Đi bộ tất cả từ đây.
Từ đang viện Thiên An.
So apparently if you walk you don't have to pay. But it's a long walk. That's sad to
Yeah. Around.
So maybe just because I went with the motorbike, I didn't have to pay. I had to pay 100,000. Yeah. It's a water park, but where are the slides? We got here a theater. Maybe here they had a dolphin show. But I don't see any slides. I'm looking. Got some statues somebody put up there, but no slides. I know there's supposed to be slides, but what kind of a water park is it without any slides? Of course there are slides in the park. I missed them because for some reason it didn't occur to me to look for them using Google Maps or to use the drone to search for them from the air. This is quite unfortunate, but anyway, this is what they look like. I left the water park, couldn't find any slides, but it doesn't matter. What's really nice there is the dragon. I paid, but what can I do? That's the price of being a Westerner here. Couldn't fight with him. I'll be heading to Danang now, but I'll try and stop on the way in the mountains. Maybe there's some waterfall. There is an interesting national park. So it will take me, and now it's already actually 2:14, 2:15. I'll head on to this national park there in between Sept and Danang. Some waterfalls if I can make it, and if not, tomorrow. And I hope I can find a place to sleep there. This is the mausoleum of Emperor Khai Dinh from the Nguyen dynasty, and I don't feel like going inside there. It's going to take a long time, although it looks like they put a lot of time. It took 11 years to finish. So they put a lot of details in it. So I lifted the drone and took a quick glimpse. was here, I visited that observatory and I saw the tomb from all the way there. And now I'm just close next to it. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna enter. In the next video, into the mountains between Hue and Danang. On the way to Danang, I decided to cut west into the mountains in search of some nature. I stay the night at a small town in the mountains, and in the next morning, I go searching for waterfalls. If you like my videos so far and you want to see some more, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.